Open a customer record that has no customer accounting ID. Verify that FieldMagic is connected to your accounting system. To sync the customer to the accounting system, create an invoice against the customer record. Any transaction type will trigger the sync. Open an existing job for this customer, then create an invoice using that job. Add a product to the invoice. Ensure the auto sync flag is turned on so the invoice syncs to the accounting system. Refresh the page. The sync completes in the background and the invoice is sent to the accounting system. Return to the customer record and check the customer accounting ID field. The customer now has an ID and can be viewed in your accounting system.